In this video, I wanted to highlight all the resources we have related to microscopes. We currently have 19 microscopes in our inventory, divided about half and half between a corded microscope right here and a battery-operated microscope here. If you don't request either one, what I usually do is I'll send you a combination of both, primarily because most classrooms don't necessarily have enough outlets for all of the microscopes. They are a little better resolution though, so let me know what works best for your classroom. If it's a combination, if it's only battery because you have no access to outlets, or if you would, like primarily corded because you'd like that little bit better resolution. Along with the microscopes, we have 3 different sets that you can get to go along with the microscope. Of course, you're welcome to use slides that you already have or prepare slides. The small blue box is called the Plants and Animals Elementary Slide Set. It's a great little set that has everything from mammal muscle bone, or mammal muscle, mammal bone, female pine cone, corn stem, quite a few different ones in there. It's a nice size with only 10 slides, very doable for a classroom. If your kids are ready, for your students are ready for a little bit more, we have a 50 slide set, which is called the Beginner's Biology Slide Set, so you can request it like that. I'll try to show you some of the slides that are available, but it's quite the range, everywhere from bacteria, Volvox, the onion root tip, ever popular, mitosis there, down to chick, and then some human anatomy related ones at the end. We also have a new set we just received from our medical school that just moved, and in this set it has everything from tendons, kidneys, pancreas, ovaries, so any kind of slide you could ever imagine related to human anatomy physiology is in this set. So you just have to request 1, 2, or 3 of these sets when you request your microscopes. We are fortunate to also have a digital microscope as part of our microscope inventory. The great thing about a digital microscope is that whatever the microscope is viewing will also appear on a screen on a laptop or on a desktop computer. To get that to work, you have to download some software. We will send a CD with it. The download takes under 5 minutes. I think it took literally 2 minutes when I installed it just a few minutes ago, and this is a fairly old laptop. So one of the great features of the digital microscope, and it comes in different resolutions. I've got the 50 on here. We also have a 100 and a 200 that easily twist on and off, so depending what you want to do. I've got the 50 in here because this is kind of a great one to use for just random exploration. So as you can see, I've got it held up to a dollar bill, and you can see this, and then you can easily project this image for your whole classroom to see. So whatever they're looking at, whether it's a rock sample, and they can really see the structure of the rock when you move it around. You can also highlight slides that maybe you're working on as a class and you want to point something out to them, and it's not exactly like it's portrayed on the computer. You can show them the actual slide projected onto your screen. One other great feature of this ProScope itself is that you can see this capture button, so that the students can actually take pictures of whatever they're looking at, and they could actually even take a video of what they're looking at too. So what many teachers do is they'll request the ProScope along with their regular microscope order, but you can also request it just by itself. It's a great option to add to your microscope arsenal.